Yeah, it sounds like
There was a high-speed express train coming in. Oh, I think it missed a stop.
Yeah, but...
Oh.
I don't really think I should be on that train. It doesn't sound that good. It sounds like it...
It sounds like a party train to me. Do you hear that? It sounds like a bunch of cowboys on there.
Yahoo!
Oh, here we go. I'm ready for this party. Yeah.
All
now,
right.
Gotta wait for the next train.
I guess I think the cowboy's the conductor of this train.
God, they're going past so quickly.
Well, hopefully it slows down soon so we can get on.
We need a train to stop here. Oh, look, it's Truck Express.
It's weird having a steam train in the inner city.
Open the door. Maybe with abracadabra we get the doors open.
All right.
These old trains, it takes a while. The doors are now open.
I don't remember the other trains in the city, especially a steam train having this.
This is pretty cool.
It's pretty cool.
Okay, like we're not going anywhere.
Is it going to start soon? Oh, I'm pretty sure that was auto lock. There's this new sort of auto lock system on all the steam trains in the inner city. They all have the nice trains in the north side, the steam trains in the south side.
Okay, we're ready. Oh man.
Here we
go, man! It's gonna go, yeah!
I feel like the train is going slower because I'm in it. It seems like it's struggling for some reason.
All I know is my part of the train is going up and down and yours is standing still.
Yeah. Is that someone in the intercom? What is it saying?
No smoking at this stop. Alright, I wish I knew the captain's voice any minute. Telling us where we're headed.
Why are we on a train where we don't know we're headed?
I don't know, but this is kind of spooky that we're on this train.
And Torch Cucamonga.
Oh!
I guess we're going
California!
in a steam train, and we're going 3 miles per hour because I'm overweight. It's struggling. This is the little choo-choo train that couldn't. You know what? I can't take this anymore.
Oh, I think I hear another fast one coming by, one of those express trains. Whoa! That was cool.
That train's empty. It's not me. That train was empty.
Okay, we seem to have stopped again.
That was weird. It just didn't make any noise when I see him.
Oh, hey! I'm gonna pull the thing. Let's see what happens.
Pull the thing?
Yeah, you know that.
Let's pull it together.
Okay. Oh my gosh, there's a herd of elephants on this thing!
Why is there elephants in the train? What is going? That's why we're going slow. It's not me.
Stampede! Stampede! Okay, that was like the wussiest elephant I ever heard. That must be Dumbo's mother.
Maybe it's me that weighs that much. Maybe they're like really small elephants that make a lot of noise. Weird noise.
I bet we'll hear giraffes and monkeys and stuff pretty soon, I think.
Is that an owl?
I think that was a monkey that was making a mating call. I'm not sure, but that's kind of... Oh!
I think that's a crazy bum from 3rd Street. I think he wanted the train. Why is he making